Lazy. I thought we are going to the forest. Merry Christmas. You take it easy, guys. You don't want us to show our viewers around. So, guys, it's official. It's Christmas morning. We're supposed to go that way. We are going towards that direction, but Lizzie changed her mind. You know, we have to go where Lizzie likes. Huh? Anything for you, my baby. Your wish is my command, and on this special day, this Christmas day, oh my God. No, we just returned from there now. Where do you want to go and do there? No, you are smelling around. You want to go to the butcher, to the hunter's butcher ground. No. Come, let's go back. Come here. Come. Come, yeah, I can feel the smell. You know, it's Christmas. They have done a lot of butchering. And guys, look at this gorgeous apple tree. Can we see the apple? Okay. Yeah. They are so dry, frost and dry. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Come this way. You are not sure? Oh yeah, come. We just returned from that direction. Now, how do you want us to go there again? Now, hey, baby. Look at how serious she's looking at me. Come. Excuse me. Take it easy now. Even the grass are not so frozen. Yeah, we have little ice, but not that much. So, guys, today is the 24th of December and it's Christmas here. You know, in most part of Europe, I don't know about every part, but the ones I've been to, it's Christmas today. For us, Christmas in Africa is on the 25th. Yeah, Christmas is official. Do I change the settings of this camera? I need to change. Something is not right here. Lizzie, something is not right. You see, you are not a professional following all these YouTubers on YouTube how to set your camera. Instead of me to leave the original standard setting. What is she doing? Did she know it's Christmas? Did she know it's Christmas? I hope you are not rolling around or something. Hey. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Langsam, langsam. Oh, yeah. Here she go. There she go. I know this leash is not long enough for you for this adventures. So guys, what is your Christmas menu? What do you normally eat on Christmas? Yeah. So today, for me, it's not much. We are eating what is it called? Is it the goose today? The gangs, Puta po Svenska. No, Kalgon po Svenska. Gangs, yeah, of Dutch. Yeah, yeah, or in English, turkey. We are eating the turkey today with some vegetable, yeah, and mashed potatoes. Yeah, this is what we are having. And Lizzie have been eating a lot of buns. You need to see Lizzie. Not only buns though, she's eating meat as well. She loves meat. For a long time, Lizzie has stopped eating dry food. She used to eat once in a while, but we are always cooking chicken for her, and pork leg. Yeah. And also I used to go to the Arab shop to get her some bones. Yeah. Cow bones. Cow leg. This from kneel down. Yeah. Oh, today in Nigeria, Christmas, a lot of dancing celebration. The youth and children will be going house to house. Oh God. Dancing, getting their happy Christmas. No, it's tomorrow. Oh my God. Oh my God, this Europe tradition have taken over me. Yeah. Yeah, so it's nice. Already I've received thousands of SMS, videos, Christmas wishes. I've replied. I'm still replying them. I haven't replied all of them. Yeah. So what do you do here, Lindsay? What is here? Look at. Hmm. Hey. Today is Tuesday. Wow. Easy. Are we going further? We are not crossing. We are crossing the rain. This field is where we used, everywhere is forest here. We don't have a lot of landscaping. So this place is we have few though around, you know. not like the usual landscaping that I'm used to. So here we used, if we had snow, this is a place you come and see the beauty of the snow. Yeah, you can see, guys. Just imagine, it's white. Oh my god. But unfortunately, this Christmas is not a white Christmas. Yeah. Yeah, but we thank God we are here. Spending it. Rocking it. Hell easy. Where is she taking me to? Oh my god. We are filming for... No, don't cross over. Last time you cross over those stones, you stressed me here. I will not take that again. We did not go to the hot spots today. It's more of walking than digging, lazy. Nothing to catch. Yeah, come, turn around. We are turning around. Don't keep taking me that far. You can hear in my breath. This place is hill. Walking on this farm. Right. No, don't go inside there. Be careful there. Be careful. Because there. Yeah, come. We are going back now. Let's not cross our boundary. Where are you going? She's walking as if she knows where she's going. Go. Let's turn around. What are you smelling? So now we will not go to the lake like lakeside. We will not have a chance to dig today. And from here we are going home. Because it's a long walk. Walking through this farm. It's a long walk. Yeah, you know. Come down. Come down. I cannot go up. Not that I cannot. I don't want to go up. So, let me... Wait, Lizzie. Stop. Wait. I have zoomed you. Oh, that's a lot. Yeah, come. Come, let's go. It's enough. And I need to arrange your list. Oh my god. Who trashed trash here. Maybe it's from the manure. Again, look at her eyes. God is giving her joy here. Come, we are crossing. I hope you will not drag me to fall. Yes, we are crossing. Easy, baby, easy. Easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Don't let mommy crash. Okay? Wait. This girl. I said it. Wait. Lungs are. Oi. Yeah. Now we can go. Alright, guys. That will be the end of our video. Thank you so much for your watching. It's a bit longer. Yeah, we call it a day. Merry Christmas. May your dreams come true. And a prosperous new year. Let's be safe, okay? Thank you for always returning. And to our new subscribers, we see you. Thank you.